Alright, what's up everybody? Mrfit500 here. We got Mr. 500 on this side of this hat. We got a new hat, new cap. And we got the pit stop right on this side. So we had our awesome Herbalife training today. My boy Anthony hooked it up on the hat with the embroidery. So in the training today, we had Hope, which was one of the Herbalife distributors that was doing the training, a big portion of the training. And one of the main things she said that us as distributors we need to offer would be like a bundle. So let me show you what my bundle is, which is the ideal package to start your 30-day transformation. If you want to do 30 days and just change one thing out, which would be, let's say your breakfast out, this is it. This is how easy it is. Ready? Check it out. That's it. That's the Mrfit500 bundle. So, you got Formula 1, which is here. That's going to replace your Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts with all your nutrition vitamins you need for breakfast. Then you got your Charge Up tea. Take out that sugar, take out that sweet. Take out that Dunkin' Donuts, take out the Starbucks, take out the Mickey D. You can just substitute one meal. Trust me, I like McDonald's, so don't get me wrong. You mix 2 scoops here with 2 scoops here. That's your package. Formula 2 is the multivitamin. Formula 3 is the cell activator. You do some aloe, either separate with some water. You do the aloe with tea combined, which is what I like to do. So this whole package, to start off your transformation, is $2.99. $2.99 gets you this bundle here. There you go. Formula 1, 2, 3. Exactly what happens if you decide you want to get a bundle. We give you this whole, our catalog, so you can look at all the other products we have. And that's all it costs. 3 bills. That's $10 a day. That's it. Now, at $300 for 30 days, that's what we can sell this package for. If you would decide you want to sign up, you will be receiving 25% off on sign up. So on sign up, instead of $300, you're going to be at $225 right off the rip. This is less than McD in the morning. This is less than Starbucks. These are easily almost $12. Starbucks could be $14. If you get the coffee, you get the, what else do you get? You get the coffee, you get the egg sandwich. All this added up, $400 is what you're budgeting for. You're not even paying attention to it. If you got kids, double, triple that, depending on how many people you're feeding. But that's it. Start off with the package, $300. That's a 30-day for breakfast. If you want to sign up on the membership program, it's 25% off right off the rip. Boom, you got $225. Now you're cranking. Now you're down to $8 a day.